today I'm going to be showing you how to make some fidget toys. Okay, let's get started. So, of course, I'm going to lean you on this thing and I'll show you how to make some fidget toys. So this is the first fidget toy. Oh, it's so shiny. But I'm going to press them all down to show you how they work. So, you press them all down from the top and then you have these squares, which I showed you in the other video, how to make these. And you just press it down, basically. And it's like this puppet game, which I just found out days ago and I really wanted to buy it, but you can make your homemade one. It's super easy, but yeah. Okay, so let's make this homemade toy. So I'm going to show you this slime I bought. It's for like fidget toys. So it's this glow-in-the-dark slime. It's super cool. It kind of melts in your hand a little bit, but yeah. So that's just a slime. I don't know how to do giveaways. Well, I do, but I don't want to give away anything yet. Plus, I don't know how to send it to people. So, yeah. So first up, we're going to make a squishy. Let's get started. So, firstly, you would be needing some, wait, where is it? Oh yeah, tape. So I got some duct tape you'll be needing, just duct tape, because this makes it squishy. So this is a thing that makes it squishy. So grab some duct tape, and then cut it, like fold it up like this to make like that little box. And then grab some, it's like some random piece of scrap, like this, and put it in that little thing, and then you just squeeze it up like that. And you may need to cut some holes to enter some air or something. Okay, so you just cut some holes, as you guys can see. It will rip if you tear it too hard, but yeah. So guys, I didn't make this off by heart. Like I didn't come up with this idea. I like searched. I got my brother to someone to make me a list of what to do, so yeah. And this was a fail, so it wasn't true. Some are fails and some are true. So this one was a fail, but it was really fun to make. But yeah, it was a fail. Okay, next one is fidget pops. So this thing may work. I don't even know what it is, but they named it that. So what you would need is some plastic or something. I just used cardboard. And you will need to cut a bit off, like a little bit off. I'll just show you guys what I mean, because basically they showed me earlier today on how it is meant to look. So this is getting a little bit too hard, guys, to cut it. So get an adult to help you with some scissors if you are too young to use them, or if you're not allowed to. I'm not saying that you're too young, but some kids like my age, 9, can't use them. So yeah. Okay, so cut out like this little piece of cardboard here. Make a hole in the middle. Oh, scary. Okay, and then cut it. Like, put the scissors actually in and actually cut it. So guys, you can't see, but it's really hard for me to actually go down like this and cut it. So yeah, kind of like a little square or something. Okay. Okay, so I just made that. Secondly, you would need some duct tape. It says duct tape. It says duct tape on it. Use duct tape to create a hole, and yeah. Okay, so grab your duct tape, and it says, put it in the small bit and press down. Okay, this is getting weird, guys. I don't even know. Is it meant to be like a pop socket or something? This is poppy or something. I don't know. This may be a fake, guys. Comment down below if you think this is gonna be a fake. Okay. I don't know, but some of these are fake, some of these aren't. He said some of them might not work. Some of them will or something. So that's weird. Okay, got it all tied up like this. Okay, got some more tape. He said continue that process. He drew a picture for me. Can't really show you because it's stuck to this thing. I'm trying to pick it up, but it won't work. He said he's got a machine or something to take it off. I don't know if that's true. Well, they say there's something. I don't even know, but I don't even know if it's true or something. Okay, so I'm almost done, guys. Just gotta finish this, and then I'm gonna grab some more tape to plug it all down. Plug it like there. Okay, guys. So I just made this. Test it. Oh, it's actually kind of stress relieving. I like it. Just gonna fix it up a little bit. Okay, where is it broken? Right there. Okay. Okay, so this is the results. I have made one of these before, but this one's a bit stronger. I'll show you the other ones, a bit easier to, handle. So I made 2 of these, well, 3 basically. So it's like this one was a fail, really, but it's really cool. And this one is exactly the same as the one we just made. This one's the one that we just made. I can tell because it's a bit harder to push up, but that makes it easier. This one's the most easiest and softest one. I think this one gets a 10 out of 10. And the squishy, I don't know where I put it. I don't know where I put that squishy, but that is like a 1 out of 10. It was a bit squishy, but I don't know where it is now. So this one got a 10 out of 10 because I made it before and so stress relieving. Super easy, super cool to make. Okay, so that's that one and this one. And I had a whole bag of these, so like I love making these ones. See? Press, 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 and just keep pressing until they're all down like that. And then you flip over and then you just keep pressing all around. You only have to press 6 times and then you keep... Yeah, it's super cool, guys. I give this one a 10 out of 10, which I already said that because I've already made like a ton of these. Like, so they're so cool. This one's really nice because you can already see the hole. This one, just not really. It's being pushed up, pushed down, push up, push down, and plus these ones actually have the bottom. And we can stick them together, flip it over, and then yeah. These are the one-hand one, and they're just really fun to play with. Okay, next one is DIY. Just put on some lip gloss. Okay, this one is called the fidget paper. Okay. First step is cardboard. Yep, of course, cardboard. Some cardboard, at least some. Like so much. Like. Okay, flip it up or flip it down. This is. So cut a piece of cardboard, like about mini size or something. That's better. Like about this. We'll just cut it into like a square. Okay, did that. What's next? That's weird. Okay, so he said cover it in duct tape. Why are we using duct tape? I think the duct tape is mostly interacting. Like cover it fully. Like what? Okay, grab it. Covering it. Okay. Covered one side, now for the other. Okay, covered it all up. So, covered it. He said make sure there's a flap. Yes, there is supposed to be a flap there. If not, put more tape on to make the flap. Okay. So I made this flap. No stickiness at all, except for this top bit. It's a bit sticky. And what else? Okay, so it's just a flap basically, and then you have to, okay, so we have to put like this, oh, I can't stop touching this, it's so cool. Okay, so this fidget thing isn't really a fidget toy, and he said it's meant, guys, we did it wrong. We had to put a piece of double-sided tape, basically attach a ball into it. So that's what was meant to happen. I did not know that. Sorry guys about the background. So grab some double-sided tape. Basically a bowl. Let me just do this for a sec. Okay, making a bowl right now, guys. Okay, just rolling the bowl up. Rolling it up right now. Okay guys, I got the bowl. Now I'm gonna attach it onto it. So let me just grab the thing. Okay, rolling up the ball a bit harder. Okay, let's do this. Okay, make sure it doesn't fall off. Tap, tap, tap. Nothing there. Still on there. Okay, so it's meant to be able to have a lump like that. And then you'll have to shred those up. Okay, let's shred it up. I hope this works. Okay. Whoa, that feels satisfying, guys. It's like a nail brush you can... Oh, guys, this is the satisfyingest thing ever. It feels like plastic. Because it is plastic. Some right here. So right now, guys, I'm shredding it a bit higher so I can actually use it. Oh, I shredded it even higher before. It was like up to here. Sorry about the background. And that feels much better if you run it over your finger, guys. That is so awesome. And the bowl, so we're meant to press on it and it's like this, supposed to be squishy. It's not really squishy, but you can basically press on it, do that. Okay, the second, this is like a squishy cube. Like a satisfying type of cube. I love this, it feels so cool. This one's basically the best. Like, it does give you the itches, but it feels nice. Like, it feels like something wet rubbing on you, and then this bowl feels like you're pressing something. Okay, next side here is to make, what is it? It's called, what is it? Fidget popper. I'm guessing it's kind of like this. Oh, wrong one. Oh wait, this is the same. Yeah, I have a feeling it's kind of like this. So I have a feeling it's kind of like this. Squishy popper. Okay. Okay, so it says squishy popper. I don't even know what that is. Grab some elastic bands. Okay, grab elastic band, guys. Just grabbed one. Snip it into pieces. What? 3 elastic bands. 3. Guys, sorry, I don't even know what to do. Like, he said 3 elastic bands. Okay, but I only have 2. He gave me only 2. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to run out and get some more. So let's do this. Sorry, but guys, I put the light on. See, it's bright. So yeah, sorry, the TV is now on. Okay, so plastic bands, here we go. Okay, let's grab one real quick. Quick. Someone's coming. Okay, so messy in here since we're doing art. How messy that is. Okay, so look at these. I'm having so much fun with those. Okay, 3 elastic bands. Cut them. Let's do this. Oh, damn it! It fell. Legs. Get it. Okay. Comment down below if that was silly on me. That seems silly for me. Okay. Okay, cut him. Wait, where did it go? Oh, guys, look, I can't stop touching it. Okay, put it down. Let's get started by cutting these. It's like hair, plaidy. Okay, he said, and it also says, use tape to secure. Okay, some tape to secure, okay. Super easy, guys. Okay, grab all that secure pieces. Okay, flip it upside down. How to? Okay, flip it upside down. Attach them like so to the tape like this. I don't even know what this even is supposed to do. Oh wait, it's not really in the middle. Put it in the middle there. And it's supposed to be stringy where you can not pull but create. What does it say? So this is supposed to, guys, this is supposed to like this is supposed to like you can pull it. Well, no, you can't pull it, because then I know why you can't pull it, because look, just come out of its place. But string's supposed to be pulled and stuff. Okay, so you touched it. Okay, and dandy scissors to press them all in. Okay, so you meant here it looks like hair, and it ruined. Oh, I meant to put it upside down. It says put it opposite face. That means facing back, so not facing the brush. Okay. Okay, so press, touched it, guys. Handy dandy scissors to get me all good. Oopsie crazy. Okay, so it's meant to be this hair thing where you just fiddle with it and basically you can plait it. It's meant to be plaited. Doesn't look like a plait right now, but starting. Oh, it is. It's looking like a plait. So good. Like, you're meant to, like, it's for doing hair, guys. So, ooh, did it. It looks like a plait in real life, but for you guys, it doesn't really. But yeah, that's what you're meant to do with it, and you could play with it, like, hold it like this, like, onto the string bit, like that. Not on the tape bit. So this is the tape bit. You can't hold it like that. You have to, like, hold it like this, and then you can pull it, and, like, pull it. Not too hard, though. Well, you can do whatever, but look, it looks like octopus legs, and then you've got this bowl to fiddle around with, like, feel its texture, and this. I'd give this a 9 out of 10 because it took very long to make. It's meant to, like, take, like, 3 minutes or something. 2 minute DIY, a couple seconds, but this one, 9 out of 10 because it didn't take that. It's supposed to take very fast, and it, like, it's meant to be keeping you low, but I love it so much, guys. So this one, 9 out of 10. Okay, so last one. So we made this, and that squishy, which it has been, right, here it is. So we made 3 gray stuff. Okay, last one, shimmery mirrory. Okay, so all you need is a mirror. Well, like shimmery paper or like some foils thing, out foil, aluminum foil. And basically, here you're meant to put it on a piece of tape, basically. And then you're meant to cut off the excess tape. Okay, so here it is. And then you're meant to, like, I don't know this, but you're meant to feel the texture, and then it's like this mirror. And touch the places. Oh, you need your phone's thing, like light, and then if you shimmer it like this, it's like affecting on the wall, like I can see it. I know what that is now. Okay, so here's our things. One, I wrote this, probably like, it's a cool thing, because you put it against like light. You can put it against the sun. Basically, you bring it everywhere. You put it against the sun, and basically you shine it on something, like the wall or something, and it like makes this like cool little red thing and white thing. That's so cool, guys. I like this one. I'll give this a 5 out of 10 because like nothing on the back to fiddle with, but just like meant to be looking at it, and it's so bright like this. So it's really cool. This one is a 9 out of 10 because it took forever to make. This one took like 1 second, so it's okay. And this one is 10 out of 10 because it's like really fiddly and it was super easy to make, as well a bit hard at the same time, but really fiddly. And this is like the only stress toy that actually like de-stresses you, so it's just relieving toy. And this one too, like I gave it a 9 out of 10 because of this brush thing. Feels so cool on me, and the hair thing, and this thing you can just feel and it bubbles up and down or something. It's not loose, it's the tape, okay? And yeah, and squishy, 1 out of 10. It is a bit squishy. I'd say 2 out of 10 actually, because it's squishy, feels nice, there's cuts, feels nice. It actually feels nice now. This is a good idea, guys. Okay, so you can make any of these at home, replay, watch me how to make them. I'm talking to you guys right now, so yeah. I love all my cool little toys. You guys can make these at home. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Let me just pack all these away now. Put them on my table.